Okay, we're doing a lesson right now on bonding using Lewis dot structures with covalent compounds. So I'm going to draw here a common non-metal, hydrogen, with its one dot. Now here's the difference between ionic and covalent. In ionic, I had shown you that this would get donated to another atom over here, creating a positive charge, all that kind of stuff. Well, in covalent, that's not the case. In covalent compounds, what you'll need to do is draw another non-metal. Remember, non-metal to non-metal is covalent. And we have to put our dots like we always have done. I'm using different colors just to give you the idea that we're going to eventually get to a point where we need to share electrons here. So how we're going to show that? Again, no arrows. It doesn't mean that chlorine is giving an electron to hydrogen or that hydrogen is giving an electron to chlorine. It's really like they're both sharing these two electrons right here. Okay? But to show that, almost using some kind of like Venn diagram idea, let's try this. We could say here would be what chlorine needs, 7 of its own plus the 1 from hydrogen. And then here would be what hydrogen needs, 1 of its own plus the 1 from hydrogen. And in this process, in that Venn diagram overlap region, you'll see that chlorine has its own 7 plus this one over here from hydrogen, the one in the overlapped region. Right here's the overlapped region. Oh, didn't want to do that. Right here is the overlap region. And we can see that in this case, hydrogen has 1 plus the 1 of its own plus the one it's sharing from chlorine. And chlorine, in its greedy sharing mode, has its own 7 plus the 1 that it's grabbing from hydrogen. And this would give you something, again, called a covalent bond.